Lyrebirds are ground-dwelling birds that prefer the dense forests and woodlands of southeastern Australia. They are known for their shyness and are often difficult to spot in the wild. However, their distinctive calls and mimicry abilities make them easy to identify. The lyrebird's mimicry abilities are some of the most impressive in the bird world. They are capable of imitating a wide variety of sounds, including the calls of other birds, mammals, and even human speech. The male lyrebird uses its mimicry abilities to attract a mate during the breeding season. It will create a complex, rhythmic song using the calls of other birds and sounds from its environment, often lasting for several minutes. In addition to their vocal mimicry, lyrebirds are also skilled at mimicking the sounds of objects in their environment. They can imitate the sound of running water, rustling leaves, and even the sound of a camera shutter. Unfortunately, lyrebirds face a number of threats in the wild, including habitat loss and fragmentation, predation by introduced species like cats and foxes, and competition with other native birds for food and resources. Conservation efforts are underway to protect lyrebirds and their habitats, including the establishment of protected areas and the control of invasive species. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more. Please also leave your comments and we love to hear from you.